Have you ever wondered what's really inside that bottle of cooking oil sitting on your kitchen counter? What if I told you, the very thing you're using to prepare your family's meals could potentially harm their health? Shocking, isn't it? But don't worry, today, we are unveiling some unsettling truths to arm you with the knowledge you need to make better choices for a healthier, happier life. We're diving deep into an often overlooked aspect of our daily nutrition, the hidden dangers lurking within common cooking oils. We use these oils daily, believing they're safe, but what you'll discover today might just have you reevaluating your entire cooking regimen. Recent research, including a compelling study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, reveals an unsettling connection between some of the most common cooking oils and a spike in health issues. We're not just talking about a little indigestion here. These oils can impact your heart health, mess with your cholesterol, and even be a silent contributor to chronic health issues. And it doesn't stop there. The World Health Organization itself has raised red flags against certain oils, drawing clear lines connecting their excessive use to heart diseases and other severe health conditions. This is not a drill, folks. The stakes are real, and they're high. So, as you stir that pot or fry up a storm, have you ever paused to think, is this oil a friend or foe to my well-being? Stick around as we unveil the 6 cooking oils you should banish from your kitchen if you value your health and the well-being of your loved ones. Number 1. Canola oil. Kicking off our list is canola oil, a common favorite. But here's the shocker, it's not as saintly as it seems. Yes, it's low in saturated fats, but there's a catch. Canola oil undergoes an intense refining process, robbing it of essential nutrients. Now, here's where you need to lean in closer. This oil is packed with omega-6 fatty acids. Sounds good, right? Not so fast. While we need omega-6, too much of it tips the scales towards inflammation and ups the risk of chronic diseases. Recent studies pull back the curtain on this unsettling act, linking excessive consumption of canola oil to increased risks of cardiovascular diseases. So, next time you reach for that bottle of canola oil, remember, not all that glitters is gold. Number 2. Soybean oil. Get ready for a revelation. Soybean oil, a familiar face in our kitchens, isn't as innocent as it appears. Yes, it's popular, and yes, it's in a plethora of processed foods, but beneath the surface, there are secrets not commonly unveiled. A large chunk of soybean oil is genetically modified, GMO, a term that has become synonymous with controversy. While we're still navigating the waters to understand the full impact of GMOs, early alarm bells are ringing. Initial research is drawing links to increased allergies, a spike that's hard to ignore. Additionally, concerns about liver health are surfacing. Each bottle of soybean oil isn't just a cooking medium, it's a potential contributor to a complex health puzzle that we are yet fully to comprehend. Number 3. Corn oil. Now, onto corn oil, a frequent contender in the cooking arena. Its richness in polyunsaturated fats and omega-6 has won it many fans. However, there's a flip side that often goes unnoticed. While omega-6 is essential, an excess can quickly turn from friend to foe, ushering in inflammation and amplifying the risk of heart disease. It's a delicate dance of balance that's essential to optimal health. Moreover, the extraction process of corn oil adds another layer of concern. The involvement of chemicals, often harsh, poses questions about its purity and safety. Each use of corn oil isn't merely a culinary choice, but a step into a space where nutrition and long-term health intersect, underscoring the necessity of informed decisions in the kitchen. Number 4. Cottonseed oil. Cottonseed oil might not be the headline act in the world of cooking oils, but it plays a supporting role that demands attention. Its discreet presence in processed and fast foods is worth noting. One of the alarming aspects of cottonseed oil is its high pesticide residue level. Given that cotton crops are often on the receiving end of heavy pesticide spraying, the oil extracted carries a reminder of these chemicals. The implication? Regular consumption means an unwitting invitation to potentially harmful chemicals into your body, raising the stakes in terms of health risks. It's a silent narrative of exposure that underscores the importance of not just looking at the oil's nutritional content, but also considering the journey it has taken from the field to the bottle. Number 5. Margarine. For years, margarine has worn the crown as the go-to substitute for butter, a badge of honor as the healthier choice. However, it's time for a reality check. Margarine is steeped in trans fats, the notorious villains in the narrative of heart health. These fats are adept at driving up bad cholesterol, LDL, while taking a swipe at the good cholesterol, HDL, an unfavorable double whammy. It doesn't end there. The American Heart Association raises the alarm on the prominent role of trans fats in escalating the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. As the spotlight shifts, margarine's standing is questioned, prompting a closer examination of its place in our diets. Number 6. Sunflower oil. We wrap up our list with sunflower oil, a popular choice celebrated for its light flavor and adept frying capabilities. However, there's a but that often lurks in the shadows. The oil boasts a high concentration of omega-6 fatty acids, not a villain on its own, but potentially problematic in excess. Here's the snag: our modern diets are already teeming with omega-6. Incorporating sunflower oil can tip that delicate balance, ushering in an unwelcome guest, inflammation, a precursor to chronic diseases. Every splash of sunflower oil in the pan is not just a culinary decision but a step that impacts the intricate balance of fatty acids in our body, underscoring the critical nature of mindful choices in our cooking journey. It's essential to remember that individual nutritional needs vary. While we've shared insights on various oils, personalized advice is often necessary. We highly recommend consulting with a nutritionist to understand the best oils tailored to your specific health and dietary requirements. Every person is unique, thus, customizing your choices based on professional advice ensures that your path to wellness is as effective and beneficial as possible. If you found this video useful, enlightening, or it simply made you rethink your choices in cooking oils, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family to spread the awareness. We're all on this journey to better health together, and every piece of information counts. And if you want to stay updated with more insights like this, hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Your pathway to empowered living is just a click away. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense.